Hey guys, welcome back to My Rose. Today I'm going to be rating my new fidgets. Starting off with this surprise 5-pack of emojis. They came in this little capsule. This one, I'm not really sure what it is. It's blue. I like emojis. They're kind of simple. These are great to bring places. I would rate this one a little bit strange looking. I think it's a bull. It's a bull. Those are its ears right there, and then those are its horns. I rate this little man a 5 out of 10. Next up, this white one. It was a unicorn, but I cut off its horn because I hate unicorns. When it was a unicorn, I would rate it a 1, and now I would rate it, it's kind of just simple, a 5.5. No, a 4. Yeah, a 4. Okay, this is my favorite one, even though he has a deformed ear. I named this one Bun Bun. This one is I love these shaped ones too. This one's probably a 7 out of 10. I love this one. This one's my favorite. This one's an 8 out of 10. Well, these two are my favorites, but I like this one more. And then this is a little hippo. I just don't really like its nostrils. 6 out of 10. So that's what I rate all my emojis. Now, this little panda dude that poops. There's Orbeez in him. The ball comes out and you can put it back in. But it's easy to put out, and I just don't feel like doing it. Yeah, I would rate him. By the way, this is also going to be a quick video. I would rate him a 8.5 out of 10. This one's my favorite. This is called a globby. I love it. This definitely a 9 out of 10. And look at all those colors. And then the spiky texture. I love this. I got these at my nearest Five Below. I also saw pop dupes, fidget cubes, poppets, plastic poppets. There's a lot. So go to your nearest Five Below. I would definitely recommend buying all the things I got and whatever you want. I also got, you guys will show you, this hamper. It's really big. It's a blue one. I got a gray one that's in my room. I love this. Really big. Only $5. So, I hoped you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below a video idea, and I will choose one person and I will do that video idea. It was a quick video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe. I just want to get to 20 subscribers, and then if we get to that, then I want to get to 20. I want to get to 30 after that, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, and then 100 quadrillion. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.